Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be working on the 82 Collectors Edition. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be swapping out these door panels with new ones, and I'm going to be changing the carpet. I'm going to probably do that in two separate videos, but I'm going to get rid of these door panels that are all destroyed and go from there. So first thing I'm going to do, because obviously when you open the door the light comes on, I'm going to disconnect the battery. So here's our new door panels. I haven't opened them up yet, so hopefully they will be for an 82 Collector's Edition. So I'll put that there, stab my way through. Alright, so it says it has additional parts in here. Oh, okay. This is the door panels. Very nice factory style carpet. Looks good. This is the driver's side. This is the left side.
Yeah, driver's side.
We're supposed to be the right side. So let's hope I don't have two right sides. And then this is the parts for the carpet, the cardboard that goes down the side of the dash. So, that.
Oh, it went off.
Went off? No, just the cameras. It's still on.
Oh.
Alright, so that's that.
Well, I can't see what it's doing. There we go.
Let's open the second one, make sure it's we don't have two of the same door panels. That would stink. Instructions for putting the door panel on. That's what it's doing. This is. That's what I was afraid of.
No, it's right.
Okay, that's right. This is the left, and the other one was the right. Okay. This is the right. Okay. You gotta go like that because they're on the inside. So right, left, we got them. So we can start the procedure. Okay, so screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here. So that's what we got to take off. Hey Greg, can you go get me that metal thing that holds on the
metal like this?
Yeah, metal dash now. Trying to figure out what it is. The only problem is trying to get these lined up because they're not poked in the new one.
Can't you lay that panel over the other one?
I don't remember how we did the pace car.
Is that a washer in there?
Yep.
You have to take that washer too?
Yep. It's just a cap. It's like a cap washer.
Mm-hmm.
It just goes like that, so it moves in there. Smaller one goes up there. Another reason, these might not even be original door panels. I don't know if they are, they aren't. They didn't hold up very well. So the two longer ones go through the door. This other small one went on top. Okay, so the only other thing you have to do is you have to spin this door lock thing out. And then once that comes out, I can pull this off. And I just got to check to make sure. I don't think I have any other holes.
They just gotta remember the two underneath.
Can't remember. I don't.
There's
Is there?
2 screws underneath or 1 screw?
I don't think there is any screws.
No, underneath the armrest and the door.
Oh, there's 2. The door panel pulls off. And you gotta just pull the door lock off. It just pulls out, but. Tight. Craig, can you give me a little regular screwdriver? Alright, so basically it just pops off like that. Nothing crazy. And I don't think it's 2 and 3, so there's no way you can screw it up. And I didn't screw it up, that's the way it was, so if door locks don't work, it wasn't me. Alright, next thing you're gonna have to do is you just have to pull these tabs back so that you can pull the lock off the door. Nothing crazy. If I can get it like that. Do both sides. Out the door comes. That's one door panel off the car. So you got to check these things because they got to be able to come through the back, and this wasn't cut wide enough. So I'm just trimming it up a little bit from behind just to kind of get it so it lines up to where it needs to line up. Then what I'll do is I'll cut it back. I haven't cut any of the front yet, so but you can see there's a little hole and it was a little bit off. So what I'm just going to try to do is just trim this up a little bit just so I can get this to slide in and then lock down. So looks like that'll work, I hope. So what we're going to do is just put a little X in there, and then we'll come in from the other side and then we'll trim it. I'll put a little X in the center. That'll give us where we need to be on the outside, and then we'll trim it up from there. Alright, so this is the door panel back on. This one we drilled through. This part was the hardest part, just lining that up. You saw me do that. And this was all there. So it's all up. We actually just drilled these where they need to be, close to it. It's about as best you're going to get it to look. I don't think it looks too bad. Looks pretty good.
Probably drops the value.
Okay, so from this side, it don't look bad at all. And this is the other one we're going to take off. So, pull it off. Okay, with a whole lot of swearing, a whole lot of adjusting, we're done. And everything's right, everything's held up, everything's where it needs to be. So these are not easy to cut in. The hardest part is really locating this hole. What I did is I mounted both the bottoms, let it fall where it was, and then from there I actually put a screw in and then just kind of trimmed around it. Greg jammed his hand back there, we guided the bolt in, we finally got it lined up, and it looks good. So I'm happy with it. So
New.
what we're gonna do, yeah, old panel,
old ripped up, tattered out panel
versus the new ones. So it looks much better. Now these weren't available for over a year, so these are like just being remade now. So I'm happy with it. I'm going to be doing the carpets next. Obviously this is 4th of July and I'm pretty much losing the day now, so I'm done. But then again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and I like your comments. Try leaving us some comments, and we always try to respond. So thank you.